a video to assist in the repair of a Chamberlain up and over door keypad. The problem was the lights were not extinguishing on the keypad and the battery was becoming permanently flat. And initially I thought it was the two wires and the connection to the battery. Well, when it was partially that, and that was remedied, but the persistent LED illumination was the issue. After taking the back off of the keypad, removing the back, I could then just simply lift out the circuitry, and this was where the fault lay. The three connectors, the three terminals which make connection with the circuitry. These were resoldered and the fault was remedied. Removing the back was the trickiest part, and the back is attached, purely pressed in place and held in with a few blobs of glue. I gently warmed the case, hairdryer over a gas cooker, and gently prised away the sides of the case with the back. There's a few blobs of glue and then work my way around. That's the tricky part. It's important not to apply too much pressure, but you will feel the blue globs gently give way. Then the back can be removed and the circuit attended to. Over the years, the battery terminal has become detached from the wires. It's simple, they just loop through and solder onto the circuit board, and a replacement can be bought from eBay. This is an overall view of the keypad so that you can identify what I'm talking about, but I'm sure that could possibly be a similar issue on other types of Chamberlain keypads. These are the wall mounted keypads which are adjacent to the up and over garage door that it operates, as well as having a key fob. Worth disassembling anything which is an electrical problem and just sort of playing around, and you may come up with the issue. Hope this has helped and enabling you to get extra years of life out of your Chamberlain. They are a remarkably reliable piece of kit, which surprises me.